know that when it rains in Kerala, there is a celebration in Tamil Nadu. The celebrations in Tamil Nadu are gathering dust. Kuttalam Falls awaits the tourists at the peak of its beauty. This video shows the details of the Kuttalam Falls, which are waiting to enthrall the tourists for the next 6 months. Kuttalam is located between Tenkasi and Chenkota in Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu. This place is known as the health bath of the south. Everywhere there are stalls full of hot dishes like hot Malaikyu Bhaji and plowing vada. This is Peraravi or main falls, the most famous, largest, and most visited waterfall here. As you like, this place is mostly visited by those who like to take a bath from the bottom of the waterfall. Located in the Western Ghats, this waterfall is considered a medical spa due to the medicinal scent of the water. This is the famous Kuttalam temple here. The original idol is of Lord Shiva. This great temple was built during the reign of Chola King Raja Raja Chola. Aintaruvi or Five Falls is located 4 kilometers from Peraravi. This waterfall is suitable for people of all ages. The waterfall resembles Adisesha, the 5-headed mythological serpent. Water flowing through 5 different branches joins a single stream as it flows down. Of the 5 branches, 2 are for women and 3 for men. From here we go to the old Kuttalam waterfall. It is 6 kilometers from here to the waterfall. Kuttalam is actually one of the 5 dance halls of Lord Shiva. Located in Tirunelveli district in the foothills of the Western Ghats at an altitude of 160 meters above sea level, there are about 9 waterfalls in Kuttal. All these waterfalls originate from the Potigai Hills of the Western Ghats. The 9 waterfalls are Peraravi, Puliyaravi, Palayaruvi, Thenaruvi, Chempaka Devi, Old Kuttalam, Aintheruvi, Pazhathota Aruvi and Chitaruvi. Among them, Peraravi, Aintaruvi and Puliyaravi are the most important. Other waterfalls can be visited only with special permission. Kuttalam has centuries-old ancient temples and other famous places. Many seasonal and perennial rivers such as Tamarabarani, Manamuthar, Peshayar, Chittar etc. originate in this fertile region. This is the old Kuttalam Falls, also known as Shivamadunga Falls. This waterfall flows into a valley formed between 2 huge rocks. Steps are cut into the rocks to reduce the impact of the water flowing from a height of 200 feet. This makes it safe for bathing, and near the falls there are places where tourists can enjoy oil massage.